In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a brand new feature in NVIDIA Broadcast, and it's called eye contact. So this is pretty interesting. Right now, you can see my phone. I am looking directly at my phone, but I'm also using my webcam. And if you look at my webcam in NVIDIA Broadcast, you can see that I'm looking at the webcam, but I'm not. So this is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show off this feature because I think it is really cool, it is handy, and it's a little weird too. So if you look at NVIDIA Broadcast, I got my webcam connected, I got the background blur on, and then on the bottom over here, you see eye contact. I have it enabled. Let me go ahead and turn it off so you can see the difference. Okay, so right now I'm looking at my phone. I'm looking at my phone screen. And you see what happens when I'm looking at my phone screen? I'm kind of looking down. I'm not really making eye contact with the viewer. And as you can see on the NVIDIA broadcast screen, I'm clearly not looking at the camera. And that doesn't look good, especially for video presentations, for video calling, or if you're doing a video podcast. You kind of want to make eye contact with the viewer. I remember when I first started doing videos, I had people say, like, stop looking at your screen, look directly at the camera. And I still don't do it to this day. But eye contact in NVIDIA Broadcast could help. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it back on. And as you can see, I am looking at my phone. But with the NVIDIA Broadcast, I am looking directly at the camera. In fact, let me just go ahead and take off my glasses so you can kind of see the difference. Even if I cover my eye like this, you can still kind of see the eye. See, it looks like I'm poking my eye. That is super weird. This also comes in handy if you're reading from a script. Like, let's say you got notes right in front of you. You don't want to keep looking down, or if you're using your phone as a teleprompter, you don't want to look at your notes and then look at the screen at the same time. It makes you kind of look like you don't really know what you're doing. And to live stream with NVIDIA Broadcast, I use OBS. It's very simple. Once you have it set up, all you got to do is add a source, click on video capture, and then instead of your webcam, you click on NVIDIA Broadcast, and that is it. And if you want to use it for a video call, same idea, you just got to change the webcam source to NVIDIA Broadcast. So that is eye contact in NVIDIA Broadcast. It is free, but only if you have an NVIDIA GPU. I think you need a NVIDIA GeForce, or I think you need an NVIDIA RTX graphics card, either on your PC or on your laptop. This is running off of my laptop, and it runs pretty smoothly. Let me know in the comments below if you use NVIDIA Broadcast. What do you think about it? I did another video on NVIDIA Broadcast a few months ago, talking about some of the other features. So right now I got the background blur. You can also do background replacements, background removal. So just go ahead, I can take that out. I can do auto frame, I can do noise removal. I can do a vignette like that. So again, it's free. If you have an NVIDIA RTX graphics card and you're into streaming or making videos, it is definitely worth checking out and using. And it's pretty cool that they're adding new features. Pretty much every few months. Who knows what they're gonna do next?